how to download Yandere Simulator on Mac. I'm going to tell you how to download Yandere Simulator on Mac. Or is it actually possible? Yandere Simulator does not have an official Mac OS version, but you can still play it using workarounds. One method is installing Windows on your Mac through Boot Camp for Intel Macs, or using virtualization software like Parallel Desktop or Crossover for M1, M2, or M3 Macs, or basically for newer Macs. So first, download the Windows version of Yandere Simulator from the official website. If you're using Parallels or Crossover, set up a Windows environment and then install and run the game from there. Performance may vary depending on your Mac specs, and some features might not work perfectly. If you want a smoother experience, playing on a Windows PC is the best option.